Lizzy, your first take on these numbers?
Well, I thought the Office for National Statistics had broken because it took a long time for this print to come out, and indeed it's hot, hot, hot. So staying on hold at 8.7%, not dropping as expected to 8.4%. Economists had expected this drop. Core inflation is up from 6.8% to 7.1%. Services is up from 6.9% to 7.4%. So this is what the Bank of England is really going to be watching. It's driven by rising prices for air travel, recreational and cultural goods and services, and second-hand cars as well. This largest upward contributions to the monthly change. It's the fourth straight upside surprise. As you say, expect investors now to be ramping up their bets for the Bank of England. That 25 basis point hike was already seen tomorrow. Could it now be 50? We're already expecting another hike in August. Where will the peak rate be? Before this, some traders had been seeing 6%. Bloomberg Economics reckons that would trigger a recession here in the UK.
Lizzy, good morning. You talk about 6% peak rate. Well, we've got a great stat just sent in there by Dan Curtis on our charts team saying last time core CPI was this high, Bank of England went to 15%. So think about that as quite dramatic out there. We might have to raise higher the peak rate for the Bank of England. But what does this mean for the impact on the government?
Look, mortgage rates are front-page news here in the UK. I hear that people are talking about it more than they are about Love Island, if you know what it is over there, Mark. Really, this is eye-watering stuff, and it's going to hurt the government. The Chancellor, Jeremy Hunt, has already said that he's going to meet lenders this week to talk about what they can do to prevent the repossessions, though he doesn't want to do anything that's going to counteract the Bank of England's inflation-fighting mission. We saw what happened when Liz Truss fell out of step with the Bank of England last autumn. But as I say, this is already eye-watering. There is a report from the Resolution Foundation think tank saying that the cost of remortgaging is going to go up by £3,000 a year. That was before this print, before tomorrow's decision. So this cost of living crisis is real, it's ongoing, and the opposition party very keen to pin it all on the government.